A very pleasant morning to everyone. Students, I am back again to take your English literature class. Hope you are keeping well and sparing some time for your studies. In the previous class, we had studied about Partho the park keeper. Hope you remember the story. आज मैं आप लोगों को फिर से इस चैप्टर को हिंदी में बताना चाहती हूँ। इस पाठ में बताया गया है कि पार्थो नाम का एक व्यक्ति था जो पार्क की देखभाल करता था। उनके साथ 5 और व्यक्ति थे जो पार्क के कामों में हाथ बटाते थे। सभी लोग मिलकर पार्क की सफाई किया करते थे। पार्थो अपने नौकरी से बहुत खुश था। प्रत्येक साल में एक बार पार्क बंद रहता था। उस दिन कोई भी व्यक्ति पार्क में प्रवेश नहीं कर सकते थे। पार्थो बहुत खुश था क्योंकि पार्क वर्ष में एक ही बार बंद रहता था। उसे लोगों को पार्क से वापस घर भेजना अच्छा नहीं लगता था। लेकिन इस साल पार्क 2 दिन के लिए बंद था, सैटरडे एंड संडे। इन 2 दिनों में पार्थो और उनके दोस्त काम में बहुत व्यस्त थे। सैटरडे को उन्होंने पार्क से कागज के टुकड़े एवं वेस्ट बॉटल्स को उठाकर डस्टबिन में डाला। उन्होंने फ्लावर गार्डन से घास को निकाला और नए बीज लगाए। उन्होंने पौधों को बराबर साइज में काटा और उन्होंने पार्क के स्विंग्स, स्लाइड्स और सी सॉस को रगड़कर साफ किया। ये सभी काम उन्होंने सैटरडे को किया और संडे को उन्होंने पार्क के सभी बेंच को पेंट किया। और पेंट करके पार्थो ने अपने टीम से कहा, हमें वेट पेंट नोटिस बेंच के पास लगा देना चाहिए। शाम होते ही सभी लोग बहुत थक गए थे। पार्थो ने अपने टीम को आराम करने के लिए कहा, इसलिए वे लोग बेंच पर बैठकर चाय और नाश्ता करने लगे। वे लोग पार्क को देखकर बहुत खुश थे क्योंकि पार्क साफ एवं नया दिखाई दे रहा था। लेकिन जब वे बेंच से उठे तो उनके सभी पीठ पर कलर लग गया था। वे वेट पेंट नोटिस लगाना भूल गए थे और वे एक दूसरे के पीठ को देखकर हंसने लगे। बच्चों, इस चैप्टर का यही सारांश है। होप you have understood now. Now we will be doing the exercises of the same chapter. In exercise A, you have to write T for true and NT for not true. इस एक्सरसाइज में जो सेंटेंस सही है उसके लिए T लिखना है और जो सेंटेंस गलत है उसके लिए NT लिखना है। 1. Partho liked his job very much. True. 2. The park was closed every weekend. Not true. 3. People always threw rubbish in the bins. Not true. 4th, Partho and his team worked hard to clean the park. True. 5th, Partho and his team were tired but they were happy. True. Partho and his team put up wet paint notices. Not true. In exercise B, you have to tick the correct words to complete this paragraph. There are given 2 options. You have to select the right option and put right tick to make meaningful sentences. Sentences are: Partho was a park keeper. His team had 6 or 5 other people. So the right answer is 5. The park was closed once every year for cleaning. This year, the park was closed for 2 days. The right answer is 2 days. During this time, Partho's team put the litter in bags or bins. The right answer is bags. They planted or trimmed the grass. So the right answer is trimmed the grass. They repaired or replaced the merry-go-round. The right answer is repaired. They repaired the merry-go-round. They also painted the benches. But Partho's team forgot or remembered to put up wet paint notices. The right answer is forgot. They forgot to put up wet paint notices. So when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. Now we will be learning about common nouns. Before I explain about common nouns, I would like to explain you about noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place and things. In other words, all naming words are called noun. For example, Anu. Anu is the name of a person. Mirzapur. Mirzapur is the name of a place. Pencil. Pencil is the name of a thing. So, all these words are called nouns. We also can call them common noun. Common noun को हिंदी में हम लोग जातिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. कॉमन नाउन किसी भी प्राणी, व्यक्ति, स्थान या वस्तु की जाति या वर्ग को बताता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बॉय, गर्ल, बर्ड्स, ट्रीज. सो कॉमन नाउन्स कैन बी सिंगुलर एंड फ्लूरल. सिंगुलर मीन्स एक वचन एंड फ्लूरल मीन्स बहुवचन. सिंगुलर में एक ही चीज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ बैग. दिस इज सिंगुलर. देयर आर 3 बैग्स. दिस इज फ्लूरल. सो सिंगुलर मीन्स एक, फ्लूरल मीन्स एक से अधिक. Now we will do the exercise. This side singular nouns are given and the other side plural nouns. A bin, 3 bins, singular, plural. A cup, singular, 2 cups, plural. A bottle, singular, 2 bottles. So we will add s to make plural. 2 bottles. A book, singular, is singular, many books. A flower, many flowers. Flowers. We will add s to make plural. अभी हम लोग प्रॉपर नाउन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. We know that nouns are naming words. For example, Partho worked hard. The park was in Kolkata. Partho is the name of a person. Kolkata is the name of a city. Partho and Kolkata are proper nouns. A proper noun is the special name of a person or place like Anil, Sheila, Delhi, Ganga, and so on. Proper nouns or special names begin with capital letters. प्रॉपर नाउन को हिंदी में व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं। प्रॉपर नाउन किसी व्यक्ति व जगह का स्पेशल नेम होता है। बच्चों, आप सबों का अपना अपना नाम है, तो आपका नाम प्रॉपर नाउन है। इस एक्सरसाइज में हम लोग प्रॉपर नाउन के लिए P लिखेंगे और कॉमन नाउन के लिए C लिखेंगे। बेंच, बेंच इज कॉमन नाउन, सो C. Chennai, Chennai is the name of a place, so it is proper noun, P. Tea is common noun, C. Rubbish, rubbish also is common noun. Kaveri, Kaveri is the name of a girl, so it is proper noun. Ahmad, name of a boy, so it will be proper noun. Swing, common noun. Cat, common noun. Tony, name of a person, so it will be proper noun. Now we will do next exercise. Answer these questions with the opposites of the words in color. Look at the words in the box for help. Words are far, new, dirty, tall, big, bright. जो शब्द ब्लू कलर में लिखा हुआ है उन वर्ड्स का ऑपोजिट बॉक्स में से सेलेक्ट करके लिखना है। फर्स्ट, इज एन एलिफेंट अ स्मॉल एनिमल? नो, इट इज अ बिग एनिमल, सो द ऑपोजिट ऑफ स्मॉल इज बिग, बिग। सेकेंड, is a coconut tree a short tree? No, it is a tall tree, so the opposite of short is tall. Third, is your house near your school? No, my house is very far from the school. The opposite of near is far. Fourth, does this room look dull? No, it is quite bright. There are 4 lights in it, so opposite of dull is bright. Fifth, is Shasa reading an old book? No, she is reading a new one. New one. She bought it today. Sixth, is John wearing a clean shirt? The opposite of clean will be dirty. No, he is wearing a dirty one. Now you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. इन सभी शब्दों को आपको अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अवे, बिज़ी, चिल्ड्रन, ये तीनों वर्ड्स अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में है। पहले ए आता है, फिर बी, फिर सी। आपको शब्दों के पहले अक्षर को देखना है, शब्दों के पहले अक्षर को देखना है, फिर उसे ए बी सी डी के ऑर्डर में और इन द अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है। फर्स्ट, First word will come bench. Second, grass. Third, home. Fourth, job. Fifth, litter. Sixth, paint. Seventh, rubbish. Eight, team. So, we have arranged these words in the alphabetical order. In next exercise, you have to rewrite the sentences using capital letters in the correct places. I have written the sentences using the capital letters. First, you can ask Ahmed or Albert for help. So the first letter I have written in capital. You can ask Ahmed or Albert. Ahmed or Albert is the name of a person. So it is proper noun. So we have written the first letter in capital. So you can ask Ahmed or Albert for help. Second, her friend lives in Nagpur. The first letter we have written in capital. Her friend lives in Nagpur. Nagpur is the name of a place. So the first letter is in capital. Third, it is very hot in April and May. We have written I in capital. It is very hot in April and May. These are the names of months. So the first letter will be in capital, A and M. I have written in capital. Fourth, I have a holiday on Friday and Saturday. The first letter of this sentence is I. So I have written it in capital letter. I have a holiday on Friday and Saturday. These are the names of week, Friday and Saturday. So the first letter of Friday is F and the first letter of Saturday is S. So I have written in capital letter. Fifth, there are many people in the park. The first letter is T. I have written in capital. There are many people in the park. Sixth, a tortoise crawls very slowly. The first letter of this sentence is A. So, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. So, I have written letter A in capital. A tortoise crawls very slowly. In the next exercise, you have to complete the sentences about Partho with the correct words from the box. Words are park, team, job, people, park keeper. First, Partho was a park keeper. Partho was a park keeper. Second, his task was to keep the park clean. His job was to keep the park clean. Third, he worked with 5 other people. He worked with 5 other people. Fourth, his dash also worked hard. His team also worked hard. Fifth, Partho did not like to close the park. Partho did not like to close the park. Okay children, I have completed all the exercises of chapter 1. Now you have to learn and practice them. Thank you.